That wraps up our season here on Truck Tech, which means it's time to clean out the shop. Well, how's that for efficiency? We have the entire place cleaned out because we need to do some work to this floor. It's nasty. Whether you own a shop or just take pride in your own garage, resurfacing the slab can bring your automotive man cave back to life. We called QuestMark, an innovative flooring solutions company, and they showed up with a ton of gear. First, they used backer rod to fill in the joints so the slabs can still float. Then, applied an epoxy sealer. Once the excess is scraped off, they hit the surface with a diamond grinder. 40 grit takes about 1/8 of an inch off the surface. Acetone is mixed with a concentrated dye and applied in 2 even coats to give it a nice tint. Then it's mopped for full coverage. A water-based sealer is followed by a 200 grit burnishing pad to put on a nice protective shine.